So some of my lovely followers requested vegetarian or vegan pepper pot, and you know I won't leave y'all stranded. Come on in the kitchen, let's get started. Alright, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. I have a variety of mushrooms here, some shiitake mushrooms, bella mushrooms, and some white mushrooms. I also will be using some soy chunks and some bean curd. Here I have my cassareep and some blended cassava to thicken the sauce. I have fresh green seasoning. I'll be using some thyme, habanero peppers. If you have wiri peppers, use that instead. I'll be using some mushroom seasoning, black pepper, salt, cinnamon stick, star anise, cloves, and some brown sugar. So the first thing I did was add some hot water to the bean curd and the soy chunks. You want to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until it softens up. Once it softens up, you want to squeeze all the water out, and this is how it should look once it is done. Now let's proceed to the next step. To a preheated pot, I added some oil and then in with my green seasoning. Give that a mix and allow to go for about a minute or so. Then you want to add your mushrooms, the bean curd, and soy chunks. Once that is added, you want to add your seasonings here as well. Give it a good mix and then we will allow it to go for about 5 minutes or so. Just let it fry up a bit before we come in with the liquid. And let me just say this, if you can't find mushroom seasoning, you can use vegetable bouillon instead. That's a great substitute. So now this is looking amazing and it smells divine too. That green seasoning is everything. Now we're going to add some hot water, and once that is added, we will come in with our cassareep. Now please be reminded that you can add cassareep to suit your own preference. However dark you like your pepper pot, go ahead and add cassareep. So once that is added, we will add the rest of our ingredients, our spices, our thyme, peppers, and all that good stuff. You're going to taste and adjust the seasoning to suit your own liking. And tell me why I forgot to add the orange peel. Once I was done, then I saw the orange sitting on the countertop looking at me. And that's when I remember. But anyway, we're going to add our cassava puree here just to add some texture and thickness to the sauce. Then we're going to cover and allow this to simmer for about 15 minutes or so. After 15 minutes, this is basically done. We're going to turn the heat off and we can plate up and enjoy. But this is best the next day. Like once you let this sit and marinate, the next day it is so good. So here you have it, my version of vegetarian or vegan pepper pot. I did serve it with some whole wheat flatbread just to be, on the healthier side. And let me tell you, this was so delicious. I enjoyed it. You see that shiitake mushrooms? It tastes like cow heel. Honestly, it mimics that perfectly. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.